लिपस्टिक 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 ऐसे ही रखा हुआ है. So the next thing that I have the price and the quality. It's doing its job very amazingly. I am also messy at times, so this is one thing I need. I should have everything in handy whenever I need to. What's in my bag? Hello, my YouTube family. How are you guys? So this is probably my first video here, and let's do what's in my bag today, because yesterday night, trust me, I saw tons of video of what's in my bag and I was so craving to see every bag, because it was such a curiosity and such a nice segment it was. So this is very random video. I'm sitting here and I just got ready and I thought of why not I show you what's in my bag, so you guys also enjoy that. I hope you loved the video. At the end, I'll definitely want your feedback in the comment section, so let's start with it. Okay, so this is an amazing bag. My husband got this bag for me. I think he was back from a trip and I don't know, he got this bag for me, and he really knew that I love big bags, because I'm somebody who loves carrying all the stuff together with me every time. I should have everything in handy whenever I need to. I am that kind of person. मैं अगर 10 मिनट के लिए भी कहीं जा रही हूँ, तो I need my bag with me, and all the stuff which is there in the bag, it should be there. So let's do not do any delay and start with this segment. So my phone is there. I'm shooting the video right now. First, my wipes, very essential, because I'm a mom and I need a wipe. My daughter is everywhere doing something. I am also messy at times, so this is one thing I need: wipes. Then I have this. This is my glass solution. I am a spexy. I have specs, so I need my specs to be clear all the time. So this is a solution to clear my glasses. Next, I have this. This is my mic case. I use the mic. I have to edit videos at the go wherever I am. Whenever I'm free, I edit the videos. So this is very handy, cute little mic. It's from Velomax, and the budget, the price, and the quality, it's doing its job very amazingly. Then I have my cream. It's a face cream. Emoline, my dermat, suggested me to go with it. Then is my sunscreen, my favorite one from Dharma and Co. Again, a hair tie, a cute one. Why not? A comb, cute little comb. Again, a cute little packet of wipes. It's a dry wipe. Then I have my cream, one of the face creams I love. Then I have my medicines. What else do I have? I think I have all the things that are needed much. My perfume, one of my favorites till date. I love it. Then so cute. It's a cute bow clip. I love my daughter. It's my daughter's clip, but I love putting it in my hair sometimes, so I keep it. My keys for certain things. I don't know. Okay. Then my case, it has my specs. Like I said, I'm a spexy. So you won't find a sunglass, but yes, definitely a variety of specs would be there in my bag. So the next thing that I have this cute little chain in my bag where I keep a little things. There are some of them are very necessity. Some of them are like ऐसे ही रखा हुआ है, just like that. So here in this, I have my cute little watch. I really love vintage watches. So this is one of those vintage watch that I have. It's a gifted one, and watch is always good if gifted. I have few of my rings kept here. Again, like you know me, I am a ring fanatic. So my rings. Then what else do I have? Oh yes. So I have such this very interesting thing. These are very cute fridge magnets. So basically, they have magnet at the back, and then in the front, these are the pictures. So this is my picture with my husband. This is my mom and dad. So instead of keeping them in the fridge, I have kept them in my bag. But they are cute little pictures, and I love them. I love keeping them with me. And other than that, I have this cute little picture of my daughter also. So yes, this is something that's really necessity for even you guys. Everybody should have for the loved ones. A few, pictures are mandatory. Again, a bracelet. I don't know, pair of earrings. So all these are little things that I keep for whenever at a very quick urgency I have to go somewhere directly, maybe from office or somewhere. So yeah, some more earrings and pearls. So yeah, these some hair ties and my daughter's clip. So these are like little things that I keep. I have I know it's funny, but I have some shagan lifafas in my bag because I am a baniya and you never know when you need these. So these are shagan lifafas. And last but not the least, if you have three things are still left, my iPad, very important for me. Being a designer, this is something that I cannot live without. All the time I have it with me. Then I have this very cute little pouch with me. It's attached. It's actually attached to my bag, so it's very handy also. Out of all the things, whenever I have to find it, तो मैं एकदम से निकाल के I can use the stuff, right? So let's see what's in this. Again, it's a cute little pouch with certain things. Again, a cute perfume. I'm a perfume freak, guys. Trust me. Lipstick, 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 lipstick. I am a lipstick addict as well. The only thing in makeup that I love the most is my lipstick. So, gift me a lipstick anytime. I'm happy. Again, it's a cute thing, a mascara and a kajal in one pencil. So, very handy to go. My eyebrow pencil that I cannot live without again. So, yeah, that's all. Also, one thing. It's cute little namjap. So, I do namjap a lot of times. So, this is always there in my bag. So, yeah, I think I have emptied my bag all the way. And this was all the stuff. I hope you guys loved it. And I don't know why I made this video, but it was really very catchy thing to do. And you guys must have a certain thing that you love keeping in your bag, and it's mandatory for you. I showed all my stuff, so do comment in the below. What item of mine did you like the most that it should be there in your bag, and what item of yours you like keeping in your bag all the time, which should not be any time missing. See you in the next video. Bye.